Well, hello student. I would like to introduce you to a website. It's called Eureka. Eureka is very well known to many colleges. They use this to help students determine or help them or help guide them to find a perfect career. So under this website, they have 3 steps. Step 1 is self-assessment. They have many assessment here, but we're just gonna do one, which is the inner heroes. They will base on your skill, your personality, your talent, and hopefully find a career that matches you most. Step 2, which is career. They provide over 2,500 occupations that matches your skill and job search guide to help you creating an eye-catching resume. Step 3, which is your education. They'll help you to find out what colleges and university you can complete that career and major that you want to pursue in. So now let's go ahead and get started. Please go to www.eureka.org and click on create an account. Go ahead and enter XBOY-LKS in the site ID box, code box, and click submit. Enter your information and also agree on the terms and the privacy policy and click continue. Now you can go ahead and create your own login name and password. So on the left hand corner, go ahead and click on dashboard. So it will lead you to this page. So we're going to do step 1, which is assessment, and we're going to click into inner heroes. So on the right hand side, you're going to click on questionnaire and go ahead and complete that. At the bottom of the page, go ahead and complete save. Click on save and go to the result page. Under help or occupation, go ahead and click on the major that you are interested in and click view. So under this page, I want you to provide me your Holland code, your inner hero, and your true color. And I want you to provide me the work environment, the work duty and responsibilities, and as well as 3 related occupations. Going back to the dashboard, you can click on step 2, which is career. So you click on brief occupation cluster and choose on the major that you are interested in. Under this page, you're going to narrow down and find the major that matches you most. Next page, you're going to provide me the job description, where you're going to work, how do you find this job, your abilities, and how do you prepare for this kind of work. Next, you're going to provide me the salary and the language skill that they are required. So that's it. But for step 3, which is education, since you already have your login name and password, you can always go back to do step 3 or do any other assessment on step 1 if you want to. So I hope you have fun, enjoy, and good luck.